Danny, good morning. It's about 9 o'clock. We've had a good kip. I was actually woken up by 2 people with horses walking through the... Oh! It is legal to camp, but that is why we've come here. Because it's one of the only places in the UK where you can legally camp, so... and legally bivvy, so that is why we're here. I have slept so well. This is a nice... I'll do a video if you want of my setup, but I am so comfy. If you want to know what happened with Richard's tent, he used his tent as a bivvy, basically. You like it as it is? Keep it as a bivvy. Right, let's get some breakfast. Look at this. Is that not just amazing?
Got your spokes.
Got the spoke at the ready. You ready?
Here's some fresh water we got straight off the moor.
So we're all packed up now and ready to head out of the wooded area. And we're going to head over to... what beach is it called? Oddicombe Beach. Apparently it's one of the best around, so we're going to just, yeah, head to the beach. There are a few times we were like, shall we just... well, in Exeter we were like, shall we just sleep here? Shall we try and find somewhere to sleep? We were spent. We were like, no, come on, we've got to make it to Dartmoor. We've got to make it there. That's where we set off to go. That's where we're going to end up, and we did, so... Greg literally last night, he got here and had a shower. He'd got like a little portable shower.
One of the best moments. One of the best moments of the day. No exaggeration.
And then he's cooking rice in his tent. Well, in the porch of his tent after. Had a right little party while me and Richard were fast on.
I know, I was hoping for some company in the camp, but had to rock on alone.
So warm, and it's only like 30k to the beach and we've done about 10 of it, but we were a little bit broken today. Well, I am anyway, so I'm just going to lie down in this field and then we're going to figure out if we're going to go onto the beach or not, because it's just downhill all the way there, but then it's like pretty much loads of climbing on the way back. So I've decided after having, how long did I have a little nap for? 10 minutes? 5 minutes. But it's getting late in the day now, so we've just been like knobbing around all day. So actually we're going to go to the beach tomorrow and then we're going to go back into Dartmoor, ride around a bit and then just find where we're going to camp tonight and just have like an earlier camp night. How good is that?
Should get that in here. It's a bit right heavy.
You...
Take that. Like, you know when you're
do it as though you climb.
You know when you're out the saddle. Yeah, that's probably a bit better.
Bottle on the loose.
Tell you what, you want some funny footage, get your GoPro on for the next mile or two.
Hang on. Did you get the broccoli on the loose?
Yes! I am the broccoli champion.
So now just having a little wander trying to find where we're going to camp for the night. This looks nice down here. Greg, what are you doing?
Shower time.
Oh, I don't know what they got in this spice rack.
Salt, pepper, herbs, curry powder and cinnamon.
Just gonna get a brew, a biscuit and then go to sleep. Good morning, it is 7 AM, we've slept for ages. Just waking up to this. Look at that. You're just like just laying in bed looking out at the trees. Bike's there. Got a little puncture. Oh, proper thorn in it, look. So now we're going to have breakfast. We found this lovely little bench outside the co-op and a stream. Is this like the prettiest co-op you've ever seen? This is so pretty. A little 16%er should go down. Having a little wander on the pebbles. This, honestly, we've had such a just fun time. Just been sat, had a drink, had some kind of mint cake. Like, we've literally just been sat in a field. I think you've got like good friends when you can literally just sit in a field with them and still have like a really fun time. I'll probably talk more about this. I'll talk about the bike setup, but honestly, we've done gravel, we've done off-road, we've done road, all on that one bike. That bike has been just so good for this trip. And it's not even necessarily, it's a bike that you would necessarily bring on a trip like this because it's like a road endurance, but yeah. Let's go. Nice little photos of our little bikes. Hiya. Look at them both racing to the top. Who won? Greg won? Really? We're going, Greg. New little purchase. Hummus and a t-shirt.
Post-ride t-shirt.
So we are ending our ride in Exeter. So just stopped up at Tesco just to get a bit of food. And it's just started raining, so yeah, with the rain jackets on. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed a couple of videos. I would definitely recommend getting out, getting bike packing. We've enjoyed it, it's been fun. So we're just saying that where we're going to go next. There was talk of Wales in a day. How would we do? Like, so top, is it top to bottom?
It's an actual ride. It's an organised thing.
How many K is it?
It's more than 300.
Is it?
But it was big enough to put me off, put it that way.
You're like, nah. Right, so thank you again for watching, and I will see you next video.
Camera back
Get the
out.
camera out. What is it? So this is the shower?
Alright, the spice rack,
Dun dun dun.
which you've already seen, and
Yeah.
the shower.
How does that work then?
So you've got 3 different O-rings on there,
Yeah.
and so it'll fit any size bowl. It just
Oh,
screws
and you
down
just put it
into.
upside down.
It comes with 2. There's a minus, you can see on there, and there's a plus. And the plus gives you, I think it's a litre a minute, and this gives you a litre for 2 minutes. So you get a 2-minute shower out of a litre bottle of water.
And then you get to roam around the jungle like Tarzan afterwards in your loincloth.
Precisely. A bit buried.
We've already got footage, don't worry, we've already got footage. Oh.
You might make YouTube videos, but you have to find a whole other channel for that particular footage.
Oh, it's too much strap.